If you think you're a loser, you're going to step on other people because you will need something to elevate you. If you think you're God's gift to humanity, you are right. Because you are God's gift to humanity. Because if you don't think you're God's gift to humanity, you are going to harm humanity. So we all are God's gift to humanity. If you think this country is awesome, you are right. It is a country that is awesome, as that book says. It is not awesome because it doesn't make mistakes. It is awesome because it's a country built on hope, resilience, and joining hands. Bill Gates says in the book, Awesome South Africa, I quote, "South Africa is an extraordinary country poised for tremendous growth and prosperity." He said this in 2010. We're still on track, as long as we don't forget who we are. In the next 20 years of democracy, let us remember that we are the nation that said yes to inclusivity, yes to the beauty of diversity, and yes to working collectively with those in government and outside government on the basis of Ubuntu to ensure that we free the potential of every person and we improve the quality of life of every person. We are the nation that said this will be achieved under the leadership and in partnership with a state that is accountable, operates with integrity at all times, and is responsive to all. Thank you.